Thought for the day. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. Welcome to 7 Minutes for Yourself. I'm Christina Aina, and I'm so glad you've joined me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. Let's take this time to reconnect with ourselves and improve our well-being. In today's episode of 7 Minutes for Yourself, we're diving into some budget-friendly self-care ideas. Have a listen.
So getting sleep is probably the most underrated self-care activity that you can do. So as a mom, we're constantly ripping and running and doing things for our family that maybe we are neglecting sleep. So if you aren't getting a full night's sleep, and even if you are, taking a nap can be a good way to restore yourself very quickly so that you can be at your optimal self in order to serve your family and to just be your best self. So steal away 10 to 15 minutes so that you can take a quick nap to restore yourself and get your body rejuvenated to go and attack all those things that you have to do in your day-to-day life. The next free option for self-care is to actually go outside and take a walk. That's one of the best things that you can do for your health. It gets your heart rate going and it allows your mind to settle down. It clears your mind. You can go out there with no phone, or if you want to, you maybe can listen to music or a podcast, but use that time to get away from everyone else, to just walk, to get your heart rate up so you'll be doing some great things and benefits for your health, but you can also use that time to clear your mind and kind of rejuvenate and mentally reset. The third option is stretching and self-massaging. Now, I personally love to do self-massages, and this is nothing like extreme. It's literally just like maybe massaging your leg or your calf muscles, or massaging your feet, massaging your hand. Doing self-massages does wonders for your body and your self-care. So if you're looking for something that you can do that doesn't require you to leave the house or to be away, simply doing a self-massage can do wonders for your self-care. Try it out. The fourth thing that you can do is meditation and mindfulness. Now, there are several apps that you can use to guide you in meditation and mindfulness, but at a minimum, it's just a matter of sitting still, maybe even closing your eyes, being intentional about your breathing. So breathing in and breathing out and just relaxing and being still. So yes, you can do a guided app, but if you don't want to do an app, just sit still with your eyes closed and just breathe in and be conscious of your breath and just be mindful and sit still. If you haven't already incorporated meditation and mindfulness into your routine, I definitely encourage it for you. Now comment below and let me know what are some things that you currently do for your self-care. Now the next one is one of my favorite things to do, and that is to get facials. Now facials can be budget friendly. I've been able to get my facials for less than $100. So set some money aside in your budget to plan for these facials so that you can have some time to relax and have someone else take care of you. Reading is another option and way to have self-care. Now, I know you're probably busy and you don't have time to sit down and read a book. That's why you can check out audiobooks. These are a great option, things that you can listen to on the go as you're driving, as you're doing that walk that we talk about, even when you're doing chores around the house. Those are great opportunities to listen to audiobooks. Now, I'll actually have a link in the description of this video for you to get a free trial to Audible so that you can check out some audiobooks for yourself. The seventh thing that you can incorporate is journaling. Now, I actually like to journal every morning, and this helps me kind of think through how my day went, what things I'm dealing with, and it allows me to get it out on paper. So maybe you don't want to go to a therapist, or maybe your insurance doesn't cover therapy. Journaling is still a very beneficial practice that you can incorporate into your day that will benefit your self-care and also your mental health. So take some time out, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and just write whatever comes to mind. Write it out. You just want to get whatever's in your mind onto a piece of paper so that you can feel that release and you don't have to stress and worry about it anymore. Now, personal maintenance is definitely one thing that you want to incorporate in your self-care routine. The thing is, if you look good, you feel good. So things like getting a manicure or pedicure, or even getting your nails done, exfoliating. Now, these are things that you don't have to pay for, but you can actually do yourself. So maybe it's taking time to do something to your hair. Maybe it's taking time to paint your nails, to file your nails down, to give yourself a sugar scrub. These are all personal maintenance things that you can incorporate into your routine so that you can still get self-care. Now, if you really want to do something for yourself, Buy yourself flowers. And flowers don't have to be expensive. One thing that I would often do is just pick up some roses from the grocery store, and they will be like 3 for $10. Now, they aren't going to be flowers from a florist, but they are something beautiful that you can add to your home, to look at, to smell, that will help you feel better. So if you want another budget-friendly self-care option, try picking up flowers for yourself.
That concludes today's episode of 7 Minutes for Yourself. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on Apple Podcasts. Today and every day with your kiddo is a gift. Enjoy it. Thanks for tuning in.